Hey everyone, this is wild. We just hit 11,000 subscribers. It feels like just yesterday we were celebrating 10K, and to see this community grow so fast is seriously incredible. I can't thank you enough for all the trust and support you've shown this channel. It's because of you that I get to do what I love and show you what I'm all about. And to make things even crazier, my birthday is tomorrow, September 13th. What a way to celebrate 11K on my birthday eve. Thank you all so much. Let's keep this momentum going. This video is just a reminder that there are 2 quests pending for you to do if you haven't yet done them. The first one is Uber. Now, if you don't know Uber, it's a taxi app and also a food delivery app, so they do 2 businesses as far as I know. They've partnered up with Discord. Watch the video to get 700 orbs. After watching the full video, you will get 700 orbs. After that, there's another partnership from March of Giants. I've covered this video just a couple of days ago. While watching the quest video, make sure to stay on the screen because if you leave the screen, the video will pause and the circle will not fill up. These quests are only for PC users, mind you. If you are on phone, don't even try it. Plus, if you are from Iran, North Korea, Russian-occupied territories in Ukraine, Syria, and Turkey, you'll most likely not get Discord's features. With the saved number of orbs, you can buy a lot of stuff from Discord Orbs exclusives, like 3-day Nitro Orbs badge, decor effects, but I strongly recommend you against buying 3-day Nitro and badges, because those 2 are useless and waste of orbs. Buy avatar and profile effects. Mind you, once you purchase one of them, it will stay forever in your inventory. So yeah, that would be the smartest decision. In fact, they are even allowing you to buy their latest effects. So yeah, that is it for today, guys. Since it's my birthday and that we have reached 11,000 subscribers, why not just join my Discord server to celebrate? Hop in right now. The server link is in my video's description. Plus, you can join us for server decors and layouts. You'd absolutely love their friendly and adorable community that welcomes everybody with open arms. So yeah, if you liked the video, hit the like and subscribe button, and thanks for all your support.